Aron pagahisgutan ang umaabot nato nga usa ka dakong event sa Maramag Bukidnon, the first ever Farm Tourism Conference and Expo nga ipahigayon sa Maramag karong umaabot July 23 hangtod 24. Okay, so karon live nga atong makahinabi sa kahanginan ang ato ang licensing officer 2 sa lokal nga pangagamhanan sa Maramag Bukidnon. Siya usab karon ang concurrently nga in charge sa marketing and public relations sa Maanyag 2024. Okay, so live karon via phone patch si Mr. Rowil Asok. Hello sir, maayong buntag og maayong pagpamahaw. Namahaw na ba?
Buntag sa atong mga taga-paminaw diri sa DXL News sa inyong programa.
Yes, salamat kaayo Sir Roy sa imong higayon no nga gipaambit ka nato para nga ma-share pod sa kahanginan ang atong umaabot kay next week na ra gyud ni, and the first ever nga Maramag Farm Tourism Conference and Expo. Sir Roy, pwede ba nimo hatagan og background kung unsa ni siya all about, ilabi na nga first ever ni siya nga matigayon sa atong lungsod?
Yes, absolutely. I know everyone is curious about it, no, because we have been posting daily updates from our official Facebook page, which is the Maanyag Maramag, and then magkaroon pa siguro nakadungog ang uban about first ever Farm Tourism and Conference Expo. So yes, absolutely, mas excited ni nga ipadangat sa tanan nato mga farm and tourism professionals ang Maanyag 2024, which is the first ever Maramag Farm Tourism Conference and Expo, which will take place from July 23 to 24, sugod sa alas 7 sa buntag dito sa Carl Family Spring Resort sa Tubigon, Maramag Bukidnon. So kung siya it's an event na nagtiniwa nga ipaghiusan natin ang mga stakeholders sa tourism o agrikultura aron mapalambo na itong farm tourism, kunya makipagbahin sa itong mga best practices sa farm tourism industry, but of course, naghatag ang mga new opportunities and collaboration and networking sa atong mga farm and tourism professionals.
Ayan, very perfect. Unsa gyud ang kinsa ang mga expected ani nga mga participants? Naa na ba tay mga kay I believe dito sa inyong post ako man to nakita early murag late last week na post no before murag taod-taod na gito siya nga gi-post. Ako nakita nga na ay pre-registration online. So far, pila naman ang nag-submit sa ilang interest to join our first ever nga Farm Tourism Conference and Expo?
Well, dagkan na, ubay-ubay na, but we will be able to identify the exact number siguro by today, kasi mag-meeting man later na. But again, kanina expo or tourism conference, para gini sa atong, this event is tailored fit para sa ato ang mga farm tourism professionals, kasama sa mga hotel owners, mga resort owners, pati na mga restaurant owners, cafe owners, mga cooperative, mga hospitality professionals, tourism and hospitality suppliers, may foreign owners, no? Pag-ibang food officials, I think we invited CNU as well, travel agencies, tour operators, and other tourism leaders, no? Kaya ang purpose, as what I said earlier, is to create a networking opportunity sa ato ang mga farm tourism professionals, not only here in Maramag, but I believe the entire province of Bukidnon, for collaboration. So as you, kita mo sa post ng first come, first serve basis, so that's why we are encouraging everyone as early as now, dili pa mo close ang katong link, meaning slots are still open.
Yes.
So as long as it is close, when you click on that, it will redirect you to a different page, no, the registration page. So, that's why first come first serve, hindi man gits natin na kumulita ng sa IR, meron naman kong venue, no? So, limited naman. So, pwede na sila magparehistro online, pinaagis sa pagbisita sa link na mag-provide sa mga promotional materials or scan ng QR code. Na mag-say that to the pre-registered establishment kapag yung specifically identified nato na mga tourism, agro-tourism players sa province, and not only actually in Maramag, but the entire province of Bukidnon. However, we're trying our best to accommodate everyone who wants to join it. So maybe in the coming days, we will be announcing other updates kung what can we do about this, kung nabat yung mga changes or nabat yung mga additional strategies just to accommodate everyone. But for the meantime, sige lang, register lang mo dito because we will be confirming all of those who are registered in the link maybe around next week.
In case nga halimbawa na ay magka-interest na ay gi-share man gud diri si Ma'am Karen Hapok Lakadin nga link, register now. Thank you kay Ma'am Karen, and it reminds me of the Jose Joel program. Kumusta di ituod Ma'am Karen? Ika akong ipangutana sa sunod ha kay murag ikaw ra ba ang expected ani nga resource speaker? Kung unsa ni update adto kay July 3 man ang deadline. Actually ako tong gihibuhatan og plug para nga ma-play diri always sa DXMU, and so far wala pa ko nakadungog pud og unsay update adto na abay mga nag register, na abay mga nag-submit silang interest to join atong Jose Joel program. And hello di ay kay Sir Reynard Fernandez nga sayo kay karon naka-join sa ato ang kuan ha, go live. Ay by the way sa ato mga naminaw karon Kuya Roy and sa imong mga kaparyentihan, kapamilya ug sa ato ang mga taga LGU Maramag, live ta sa Facebook. So kung aduna ka mo Facebook, i-search lang ang DXMU Space FM 88.9 MHZ. So si Sir Reynard Fernandez, hello da kuno diha. Mr. Ruel Asok, have a nice day. God bless you more. Ingon pa ni Sir Reynard Fernandez.
Teacher.
Yeah, parihata. Maestro na ko si Sir Reynard po sa college. Okay, sige. In case nga na magka-interest, Sir Roy, nga magpa-register karon, unsay ti mailhan nga successfully narehistro sila? Naabay a message.
You will receive a confirmation message.
Okay, confirmation message ang ma-receive. And naabatay existing karon nga agro-tourism site sa kuan kaning Maramag nga maingon nato nga kani siya mag-serve as perfect example para nga atong ma-develop yun ang agro-tourism industry sa Maramag. But before that, before ni mo tubago na Sir Roy, ingon pa ni Ma'am Karen, thank you Ma'am LG. We had 100 plus applicants sa Jose Joel program, just finished doing face-to-face interviews. For now, maanyag 2024 usa ta. Okay. Sige Ma'am Karen, thank you kaayo for that update. Okay, sige, going back to the question, Sir Ruel, unsa may existing nato karon nga agro-tourism site nga maingon nato ba nga kanang naani siya best practice nga perfect example para nga ato yung ma-improve ang atong agro-tourism industry?
We have several already, pero kailangan lang din nato i-highlight and i-develop further, and to craft it as something that is really to be identified as an agro-tourism site. Example, we have the Kuya, the Demo Farm. No, dagan pa din uban else. Somewhere, kailangan lang natin isa nga i-highlight din siya. That's why the very purpose of this particular activity is to give them the opportunity to let the tourism industry or agro-tourism farm industry shine and be known not only in Maramag but for the entire province, in the region as well, and or in the entire country. So, because of that, we can promote whatever sustainable practices we have. We can highlight the else beauty and potential sa ating agricultural sector here in Maramag, in the entire province, which I believe Bukidnon is very rich and of course is very known sa ibang mga probinsya. So I hope although na natin mga identified sites, pero this will also put highlight on the industry itself and ma-recognize sa mga tao starting today.
Uy, na ay update diri Sir Roy kay gikan kay Ma'am Karen. Currently, we have 100 plus confirmed sa Maanyag 2024. Hapit na mahurot ang slots nato busa register na. Muna iyahang latest update. Unsay expected nga mga activities anang duha ka adlaw nato? Unsay mga mahitabo na bay for sure na maginakahan ay ana no nga series of activities. Pwede ba na namo mahibaw-an Sir Roy kung unsa na siya?
Yes, of course. So attendees can look for the student fruitful activity. They can look forward, into a packed schedule of activities. Natin mga keynote speeches from industry leaders, of course. Na yung mga panel discussions, na yung mga workshops, and of course, the very important networking sessions. Natin sa expo nga mapakita sa mga exhibitors sa ilang mga products and services na may kalabutan sa farm tourism. So, most importantly, this is a perfect opportunity so that they can gain insights or makadiscover sila ng mga bagong trends, related for today's need and in demand. And of course, to connect sa other customers or other stakeholders as well.
All right. So imong nahisgutan na atay speakers. Who are they? Ug asa po di sila gikan?
We already so kagahapon nag-post update ato ang Maanyag page, and one of our speakers amo na siyang gi-introduce si Chef Jeremy Go, he's a Filipino chef who is making waves sa Davao City food scene, and napuna siya gitawag itong Pilgrim. Imana siya ang sikat na restaurant na nag-serve and comfort food dito sa Davao City. So, hopefully, other speakers, we will introduce them one by one. No surprise, So, pero na yung mga surreal, but yeah, they have a very interesting lineup of industry experts who will be joining us in this particular activity. So, we will just post them else maybe today or tomorrow, isa-isa para na point of excitement. Pero kami sabihin, hindi nagapon si Chef Jeremy Go as one of our panel speakers.
Migo, that's the last name. Oh, sige. We will get to know more about him on the July 23 or on the 24th?
July 23 and 24. So, ang 23 more or less opening program niya. Pero jump pack kayo ng activities. So, we will also share the programs, the final program, kay provisional pa man karon. So, we'll share the final program later on as well.
Alright. Sige, exciting ang ato ang event. Kabahin sa ato ang first ever Farm Tourism Conference and Expo. Unsa man pod ang pangdalon sa ato ang mga expected participants or kato mga invited participants? Unsay ka-expo manino? So unsa may mga ato ang dahuman nga mga makitaan during nga event?
Well, we believe that pwede na magdala sila if they have some specific products, na, para silang branding, then they can very well share it para ma-share it sa uban ng mga stakeholders at the same time. But the most important thing, all they need to do is just bring themselves, and just be ready and be interested and be participative sa atong mga activities, sa atong mga speakers, naman tayo mga gitawag na ito nga plenary session. So, hopefully, na forum, na trade expo viewing. So, kung nasa mga products or services that they want to highlight, so they can very well doing that so that they can share it with other participants as well.
Okay, naapod tayo immersion tours. Di ay asa pod ni paingon? Ahapod ta ani.
Sorry.
Na ay immersion tours nga gisend si Ma'am Karen. Asa pod ni siya ang venue sa mga tours?
Dagan tag mga bisitahan actually. So natay mga site nga itong atuan, So different tourist sites not only here in Maramag but also outside Maramag as well. So again, I haven't had the final venues yet, but we will be sharing it as well sa ating Facebook page.
Nako, sige, let's wait for that. Sa atong Facebook page again, kung in case na mga interested nga makabalo kung unsay mga dahuman nato nga mga activities, asa nato makita ang update?
Dito sa Maanyag Maramag page, which is of course our official Facebook page. I think they're gonna mag-followers, so it would be easy to, follow the page.
That's the only Maanyag Maramag nga Facebook page. Okay.
Correct.
So Maanyag Maramag. O unsa nga mga agencies aside from the local government unit, naaba mo'y mga partner agencies sa pagpahigayon ni ining ato ang first ever nga Farm Tourism Conference and Expo?
Yes, Daganta Elge, of course, those who were directly involved in the promotions of businesses and the tourism activities, not only here in Bukidnon, but in the entire country. We have the Department of Tourism, of course. We have the collaboration of Department of Trade and Industry. So, nagyapon tayo mga taga-DTI, napon tayo Department of Agriculture because it's more on agriculture tourism. And we also have the DevCon committee and napon tayo mga private, like our research, which will be the venue, for our tourism expo. And our second guest is, of course, LG Maramag. And Department of, let me see here, this moment.
Oh, I heard DevCon. DevCon is Murag Developers Connect. Muna siya, no?
Yes.
Okay. Sige, are they also presenting kanang ilahang program sa DevCon during the event?
Yes.
Sige, that's exciting. Daghan. Okay. Sige, so expected pud ana naapod ang atong mayor and atong vice mayor to attend or unsay mga kinsay mga officials nato sa LGU Maramag nga will be there during the event?
This is the first ever, and this is the first ever mga pioneering events. Daw is a very special one because this will be the launching activity for our farm tourism. So we have, of course, our municipal officials headed by our very active municipal mayor, Honorable Attorney Jose Joel Romal. Of course, our equally maanyag municipal vice mayor, Attorney Maribeth Estrella Lopez, and the entire Sangguniang Bayan Council. We will be there. We also have our Bukidnon Farm Tourism Advocate, atong senator, atong pinaka-proud na senator, whom we are also proud of, na taga Bukidnon, our very own Senator Juan Miguel Subiri. We also have officials from the Department of Agriculture, so Region 10, Department of Tourism also from the Region 10, and of course our keynote speakers or our mga activity speakers from the different industries.
Ayan.
Kapag DTI from Region 10 as well. So we will be expecting directors from the DTI from Region 10 office.
Sige, hala. Nako, very exciting ang atong event for next week. That's on July 23 and 24. Imo na lamang, Sir Roy, imuha na lamang invitation para sa tanan officially to invite everyone to join the first ever Farm Tourism Conference and Expo of our local government unit of Maramag, Bukidnon. Sir.
Yeah, thank you very much for this opportunity again. So we would like to encourage everyone to follow our official Facebook page, Maanyag Maramag, so that you can get some updates about this particular activity. We'll be posting other activities or updates later on for the gist of the program. So don't miss the first ever Maramag Farm Tourism Conference and Expo, which we titled Maanyag 2024. This is happening on July 23 to 24 at our very own RR Family Spring Resort in Tubigon, Maramag, Bukidnon. And it will expectedly boost not only the local economy sa Maramag, but of course the importance of farm tourism in the entire region of Northern Mindanao. And we hope to promote sustainable practices, ELGE, and highlight, importantly, the beauty and potential sa ating agricultural sector. So we are excited to host this event, and we are expecting everyone to be there and let's enjoy, learn, collaborate, network, and most importantly, promote farm tourism in Maramag and in the entire region as well.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Mr. Ruel Asok, ang atong licensing officer to sa local government unit of Maramag, and of course our in charge no sa marketing and public relations for the Maanyag 2024, especially regarding aning Maramag first ever Farm Tourism Conference and Expo. And I would like to thank Ma'am Eva Jane Malbasias no for informing me about kinsa gid ang ako ang i-interview regarding aning event, and of course to Attorney Angeli Duromal, and to our mayor, hello din ha, Honorable Mayor Attorney Jose Joel Pepito Duromal, and to our Maanyag Maramag Vice Mayor Attorney Maribeth Estrella Lopez. Kuya Roy, thank you so much and God bless you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you for this opportunity. See you soon. Bye-bye.
See you soon. Bye-bye. And to Ma'am Karen, thank you so much, Ma'am Karen, for participating and for giving me some information about this event. Okay, wala na kitagong oras. Up next is our program for the Office of Student Affairs and Services. Kini na lamang si LG Iman Aninayon. Kauban ako si Don Kimpang. Thank you so much ug maayong morning. Maanyag Maramag kanatong tanan.